Let's take a look at Civic and do some price analysis. So hello and welcome to Operation Crypto and welcome to today's video. First, a word from the sponsor of this video, which is at bitmax.io. I have used this to trade a few times, and if you're looking to get in some of the lower cap alts or even the bigger ones, then it's a good place to trade. It is a leading digital asset financial platform with a comprehensive product suite including altcoin trading for spot, margin and futures contracts if you're willing to use a little bit of leverage there. It does have also a wallet available for a different type of 100 currencies, and also innovating staking support for blockchain projects. Bitmax.io was launched in 2018, has quickly grown into one of the world's leading cryptocurrency platforms with a globally distributed user base of over 200 countries. So it is used in a fair few countries. It is a fairly safe exchange to use. Personally, in my opinion, if you're ever buying crypto, the best thing to do is buy it and then get it off the exchange. And that goes for any cryptocurrency exchange out there. Do not leave your funds on the exchange. It is always best in a private wallet. There will be a link for the exchange on the pinned comment and in the description. So go over, check it out and have a look at what it is. See if any of your favourite cryptocurrencies are listed on there. So let's get talking about today's analysis video, which is Civic. I did do a video around a month ago. We did shoot up quite heavily, and I'll show you a chart what I expected to happen from there. So we'll have a look at some key statistics first. So Civic, which is a CVC, is currently priced at 0.115906 US dollars. That's equivalent to around 11 cents. We are ranked 120 out of all cryptocurrencies that we have listed on CoinMarketCap. It is worth knowing that is an ERC20 token. A total supply of 1 billion Civic, and out of those in circulation we have 670 million. Currently 24-hour volume is getting around $163 million, and the market cap today, which is don't know because my watch is broke, is around me. Is my phone working? Yeah, it's the 4th of December and it is $77.4 million. If we just look at the market pairs where we're getting most of that trading happening, Binance getting a fair old chunk there. We're getting 20% against Tether and then a further 8% against BTC, so you could collect 28-30% there on Binance. Upbit, Coinbase Pro, OKX. This is a quite easy to get hold of token if you're wanting to get some Civic. It is on all the big exchanges. If we just scroll down, 59 recognised pairs. So like I say, if you're looking to get hold of it, fairly simple. One major point we want to target before we look at the chart. That's mental. One major point here is the all-time highs, and that was $1.66 on the 25th of December, Christmas Day, 2017. That's when we had that crazy bull run that we're going on. What we're hoping we can expect going forward, coming into late this December and hopefully going into 2021. I hope we can get a good run. We are overdue a long run in cryptocurrency. So that's some of the key stats. We'll jump over to TradingView now and do some TA. I just had a quick look back, and it was around 3.5 weeks ago since I did a price analysis on Civic, and if we just go back in time, it was around the 12th of November and we was here. We'd done that massive shoot up, we double topped and we started to come down, and I did say that this area within the grey box was the area to target to buy in. I always look at buying, if I'm looking to buy in a project that's done a big rise, I look at a 618 level there, and that will bang on a weekly support level, and look at that to a T. We come all the way down and we have bounced off that area. The 618 is absolutely golden, and if it pretty much ties into an area of support, then bonus. That couldn't have gone any better. So let's get rid of that. We have had our entry point now, and what we're looking at next is some levels to target higher. So obviously we've bounced off this weekly support, and what I want to do is just go right back to the beginning, to the monthly time frame, and see if we have any further levels higher. So that is a monthly. I don't think we had any actually, to be honest. If I'm ever looking for support and resistance, it's got to be 2 touches of a wick, and it doesn't like we've got anywhere further up. So the weekly time frame will drop down into, and we may have already covered these. We've got a lot of levels above us higher, but let's just see if we can plot any more, see if there's any available. Possibly not, because I'd have done it previously. I don't think we do we? No, there's no levels there. So we'll go back onto the daily time frame. And we have got some levels here for us to aim and target. We are looking quite bullish now. We did that 61% retracement. We've come back down and we've popped back up. We did start pushing up towards this monthly level of resistance at 15 cents. But then we didn't just quite make it. We didn't have the legs. So that is our next target. I just want to see if we've got any daily levels first. See if we can target anywhere to buy in. There's any support levels. I think we've got one there. So just mark that up. If you look at right tool, horizontal right. So if we look at this wick here, we actually rejected off that and rejected off there. So that's a daily level of support, which could be a good potential area to buy in if the markets do allow. So I mean, we're not a million miles off there. We had a 10% drop today, so it's coming down there. So this could be a key area to buy in if we do get any movement there. I don't think we've got any other levels. No. So this is the next level to buy in. I'm just put a little bit of bearish scenario on this first, and we'll tell what we'll put a Fibonacci on, of course, on this move and see if we've got any levels there. So get the fib up, and I want to take this move. I always use body to body. As you can see, we've had a double top here. This could be a potential area to get in at 0.0939. But, I mean, this will be a strong level here of monthly support. So, I mean, if we do break through that, then this could be a level to buy in. But, I'm guessing this level might hold up here. I think the markets are quite bullish at the minute. So just monitor it. So buying opportunities here, pretty much 11 cents on the nose. If we do lose that, then it's going to be the monthly support at 0.099. So that's entry point. If you're looking to target some higher levels, as you see, we just had a candle body move down there. It's like we are coming down to this area, so hopefully that holds up. But yeah, if we're going forward, we need to have a look at some price targets, what we can aim at. And the next target is 15.9 cents. I mean, you could call it 16 cents near enough. It's not a million miles off it. So that is the next level to target. To remain bullish, we need to close a daily candle above this level and then target the next two levels. So if we do push up and start closing above 16 cents, then these are the next two levels. What I will do, once we start pushing up and turning these areas to support, I will do another video of analysis for higher targets once we close above 24 cents. I mean, we're a fair way off that. That's what, probably 100% or something definitely. I would work it out in a price range. From current prices up to 112%. But we know what happens in crypto. It is very easy. It happens easier. Things move really quick. So once we do break, close above that, and I'm going to do another video. And then obviously you can see we've already got some levels. I don't think we've got any levels higher than 44 cents because we had that major pump back in 2017. And then we had a major dump. So pretty much it didn't leave us any levels. So when we're going through that, we'll have a look at some Fibonacci extension levels. And hopefully that can give us a good idea where to target. If we just look at the Hitman, so a Hitman works out when there's a shift in market momentum, and as you can see we have bulls and bears. We had a bull on the 1st of May and we raised up to here, and then we had a bear come down here. I mean, if you zoom in, it will show it to better effect. We did drop our way down to here. We use this monthly support, and then we've shot our way back up. So currently we are in a bullish trend. Look at them daily candles, are absolutely ridiculous. We shot up, I think that was the Coinbase listing, it absolutely flew, and we've done that 61% retracement. To be honest, I would have expected that we had a bear around here, but that's just my settings. You can pretty much set the Hitman up to what you want. So we are still bullish. We've bounced right back up off that 618 level, and we, in my opinion, now we've got to target these higher levels. Closing above this daily monthly level here with a daily candle will be very, very bullish. If we just put the EMAs on, so the EMAs, I use 8 and a 30. If you zoom right in here, we had a big cross down here on the 5th of November, and then boom, shot back up. We did start to come back down. If we had a cross here on the EMAs, you would have expected to go down further to this monthly level, but we've had a good rise now, and then it does look like we're going to push on. I think that we can start targeting this level. That is the next point. So entry points around here and here, and then going forward, next video will be at 24 cents. So that is just a quick bit of analysis, an update to the charts. We've got that extra level there. I will be able to plot some extra day levels when we go up to these prices, but as we see, we're not up there yet. I think once we start breaking these levels, I'll plot some further daily levels, and then when we go up here, it'll be another video from me to highlight some key areas. So I think that will do it for today's video. Just a bit of an insight there. first up, please make sure you do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure that you are in my Telegram group, which is the Crypto Troops. The link for that group will be in the description and a pinned comment. Also, make sure you do check out BitMax. The link again will be in the pinned comment. It is fairly easy to use. You've got all you can set your two-factor authentication up, so you have an extra added security. So thanks very much for listening. I'll catch you next time.